Welcome students. So previous classes we discussed about gas welding as well as arc welding process. So in continuation, in this lecture we will discuss about the gas tungsten arc welding and gas metal arc welding process. So both these processes are an advanced form of your arc welding process. So what advanced process means is that it is an industrial variant of welding process. The arc welding is predominantly used in small shops and lathe shops, etc. But the major drawback of arc welding is that it can only be used to weld thin plates up to an order of 2 centimeter. For example, 200 mm, 400 mm. So only thin plates can be welded using the arc welding process. If you need to weld thick plates or if you need to use it for a longer duration, then it may not be sufficient. So in such cases, this advanced processes are used. And also the filler material, for example, the shielding is not proper when used in longer durations. So hence we are going for advanced process. So example for this gas tungsten and gas metal arc welding are robotic welding, welding of your automobile body. Any industrial component can be welded using this welding process. So it is like your CNC machine. Compared to your lathe, CNC is more efficient. Similarly, compared to your arc welding, this gas tungsten and gas metal arc welding are more efficient. So the reason they are more efficient is because they use gas. As the name indicates, it's gas tungsten or gas metal arc welding. So what gas indicates here is the protective gas. So I will show you in the image here. So as you can see in this image, a shielding gas is used, which is inert gas. So inert gases are helium, neon, argon. Similarly, carbon dioxide can also be used as shielding gas because they do not react with metal. They are very, very high molecular strength. They have very, very high molecular strength, and hence they do not easily react with any other material. So that's why they are called as they are used as shielded metal shielding gases. Uh, Also, there is major difference between the gas metal arc welding and gas tungsten arc welding. So first we will discuss about the gas tungsten arc welding. Here, the electrode used is called as tungsten electrode. So why tungsten electrode is used? Because tungsten has very high melting temperature in the order of 4000 degrees Celsius, around 4000 degrees Celsius. Um, so, so tungsten melts around 4500 degrees Celsius. So what it signifies is that during the welding process, tungsten will not get melted. So as you can see in this image, this is the electrode. 1 minute. So now I think it is so during the welding process. So this is actually your electrode and a wire which is held by the operator, that is actually filler rod. So when you take arc welding, the electrode used is a consumable electrode. What it means is that it melts along with the workpiece during the welding process. But if you take the gas tungsten arc welding process, here the electrode will not melt. Because it is made up of tungsten, it will not melt. Hence the name gas tungsten arc welding. So here filler rod is required to provide excess material during the welding process. Whereas if you take the gas metal arc welding process, there the electrode will melt during the welding process because the electrode will be made up of same material as that of your workpiece. So based on the application, these two welding process can be used in tandem. So if you need high accuracy and low penetration, then you can go for this gas tungsten arc welding process. Whereas if you need high penetration, then you can go for gas metal arc welding process. So I will explain it using this video, sorry, with this image. As you can see, the shielding gas, the pink color indicates the shielding gas, so it will surround the welding region and prevent the entry of oxygen. Since gas is supplied constantly, it will enclose the welding region completely, and hence the supply of oxygen will be cut off completely and it will be more efficient. So this is actually a gas tungsten arc welding, hence the filler rod is used. If you go for gas metal arc welding process, their filler rod is not used. As you can see here, just electrode is used. Their filler rod is not needed because the electrode will act as a consumable electrode. So it will be supplied through a wire spool, which will supply, as you can see here, it will supply constant supply of electrode. So as I said, based on the application, gas metal arc welding or gas tungsten arc welding can be used. So thank you, students. I hope you understood this welding process. We'll see in another topic in the next lecture video. Thank you.